Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, the 14th of November. Maybe we should call this Turnaround Wednesday because yesterday most markets seemed to be down. Today most markets seem to be up. We've got a couple of things I think we can credit with that. We will look at those now. The crude oil market collapsed yesterday. Some comments from OPEC saying that demand is dropping more than anyone had thought. Yesterday, crude oil is up. We're having a pretty fair bounce right now, so that's good. Sources also are saying that this administration is backing away from, at least now, from enacting new tariffs on autos. And I think the markets are liking that. And then we also have economic news coming out today that will have some indication on inflation in this country. But as I mentioned, everything is up. The dollar is down. Stock markets are kind of mixed, but a little lower, closing in Asia and then currently trading a little lower in Europe. Talking about a bad Brexit deal that Prime Minister May seems to be bringing to the table. That's shaking them a little bit. And in the U.S., we're up a small amount. Let's just look and see exactly where we are in our markets. We've got the cotton market right now trading at 76. I know we're going to March. Up 60 at 78.26, a high of 78.45, a low of 77.55. Then we've got January soybeans right now up 5 3/4 at 8.84, a high of 8.84.5, a low of 8.79. December corn up a half at 3.67, a high of 3.67 3/4, a low of 3.66. Wheat up 1 3/4, and December wheat at 5.09.5, with a high of 5.11 and a low of 5.05.5. Crude oil, as I mentioned, is bouncing up 64 cents a barrel in December at 56.34. Dollar is down 16. Gold is up $1. Silver is down $1. And the S&P Futures Index is up 5. So we are looking in this country to open up. I had mentioned the economic releases coming out today. CPI at 7:30, real earnings at 7:30, API energy stocks this afternoon at 3:30. That's it. We'll see you later.